శ్రీకృష్ణ కరుణామృతం ఆశ్వాసం 1 శ్లోకం 51. అహిమకర కర నికర మృదు ముదిత లక్ష్మీ సరసతర సరసిరుహ సదృశ దృశిదేవే వ్రజ యువతి రతి కలహ విజయ నిజ లీలా మదముదిత వదన శశి మధురిమణీలియే. Let me get dissolved with him who has moon-like glowing face, as a result of his victory in a lover's tiff with a Vraja maiden, and the one who, with a very happy eyes similar to the lotus flower, which have just opened due to the emerging heat of sunlight. Slokam 52. కరకమల దళ కలిత లలిత తర వంశీ కల నిదనద గలదమృత ఘన సరసి దేవే సహజ రస భర భరిత దరహసిత వీధి సతతవః దధరమణి మధురిమణీలియే. Let me get merged in the sweetness of Krishna, who completes the surroundings by the musical notes, starting from his flute controlled by his lotus-like hands, and who has jewel-like lips which always wear a wave of smile due to his ever-joyous nature. Slokam 53. Kusuma shara shara samara kupita mada gopi kuchakalasha ఘస్రుణ రస లస దురసి దేవే మదం మృదిత మృదు హసిత ముషిత శశి శోభా ముహురధిక ముఖ కమల మధురిమణిలియే. Let me get merged in the sweetness of Krishna, who has a chest coated with the juice of sandalwood, from the breasts of gopis who were angry in the love fight started by the arrows of flower of the god of love, and who has a lotus-like face which is pretty and adorned with a smile and beats the full moon's shine. Slokam 54. Anamramasita bhruvorupachita makshina pankshmankure ಶ್ವಾಲೋಲ ಮನುರಾಗಿಣೋರ್ನಯನಯೋರಾರ್ದ್ರಾಮೃದೌ ಜಲ್ಪಿತೆ ಆತಾಮ್ರಮಧರಾಮೃತೆ ಮದಕಲ ಮಮ್ಲಾನವಂಶೀ ಸ್ವನೇ ಶ್ವಾಸಾಸ್ತೆ ಮಮ ಲೋಚನಂ ವ್ರಜಶಿಶೋರ್ಮೂರ್ತಿಂ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹಿನೀಂ. O child of Vraja clan, may my eyes permanently see pretty form of yours, whose eyebrows are pretty and curved like the bow of the god of love, whose eyebrows hairs are thick, whose eyes which bear the devotion of devotees, and the passion of the gopi maidens, who keeps shifting glances always, whose indistinct prattle is ebbing with the essence of kindness, whose lips which ooze out nectar are deep red in color, whose music coming out from the flute is heard permanently, and his body which is black like a dark cloud is bewitching the whole world. Slokam 55. తత్క్రైశోరం తచ్చ వక్త్రారవిందం తత్కారుణ్యంతే చ లీలా కటాక్షా తత్సౌందర్యం సా చ మందస్మితశ్రీః సత్యం సత్యం దుర్లభం దైవతేపి तत्सौन्दर्यं सा च मन्दस्मितश्रीः सत्यं सत्यं दुर्लभं दैवतेऽपि. His childishness, his lotus-like face, his kindness, his playful looks, his handsomeness, his pretty smile, truly and truly are not seen with any other god. Slokam 56. विश्वोपप्लवशमनैकबद्धदीक्षं विश्वासस्तबकितचेतसां जनानां प्रश्यामप्रतिनवकान्तिकन्दलार्धं पश्यामः पदि पदि शैशवं मुरारेः. I am able to see your childlike form, O Murari, who has taken a resolution to destroy all people who are bad and to protect all those who believe in him without any other thought, and who is pretty and has shining and fabulous hair. Slokam 57. मौलिश्चन्द्रकभूषणो मरकतस्तम्भाभिरामं वपुर्वक्त्रं चित्रविमुग्धहासमधुरं बाले विलोले दृशौ वाचः शैशवशीतला मदगजश्लाघ्या विलासस्थितिर्मन्दं मन्दमयेक एष मथुरा वीधिं मिथो गाहते. Who is that person who walks in the streets of Mathura, who is walking slowly and prettily like an elephant in rut, whose hair is decorated by peacock feathers, who resembles a pure pillar made of emerald, who is a pretty child like a picture with his smile, who keeps on changing according to circumstances, and whose words of prattle are very, very pleasant. Slokam 58. Padau vada vinirjitambujavani padmalayalambitau pani venu vinodana pranayinau paryapta silpasriyau बाहु दोहदभाजनं मृगदृशां माधुर्यधाराकिरौ वक्त्रं वाग्विषयाभिलङ्घितमहो बालं किमेतन्मः. Is this halo of light that of a young boy whose portion of feet which is decorated by goddess Sri Mahalakshmi? Beads halo a crowd of lotus flowers whose hands, interested in playing the flute, appear as if they are showing dancing poses, whose hands show passion to the doe-eyed damsels, whose words appear to be a rain of sweetness, and whose face is beyond capacity of words to describe. Sri Krishna Karanamrutam, Aswasam 1, Slokam 59. एतन्नाम विभूषणं बहुमतं वेषाय शेषैरलं वक्त्रं द्वित्रिविशेषकान्तिलहरी विन्यासधन्याधरं शिल्पैरल्पधियामगम्य विभवैः शृङ्गारभङ्गीमयम् चित्रं चित्रमहो विचित्रमहो चित्रं विचित्रं महः शृङ्गारभङ्गीमयं चित्रं चित्रमहो विचित्रमहो चित्रं विचित्रं महः. As he likes to decorate himself with peacock feathers, all other ornaments appear not necessary to him, and his face is decorated by different types of tilakas, and also due to pretty lips it is flood of light. These indeed are surprising, and his pretty bewitching form is making even the dull-headed ones into devotees. Slokam 60. अग्रे समग्रयति कामपि केलिलक्ष्मी मन्यासु दिक्ष्वपि विलोचनमेव साक्षि हा हन्त हस्तपथदूरमहो किमेतदा किशोरमयमम्ब जगत्त्रयं मे. What a wonder that the indescribable pretty play of Lord Krishna is set in front of me, and also on all my sides, and my eye is the witness for this. And O mother, to me all the three worlds are full of that child, but alas, I am not able to touch him or embrace him with my hands. Slokam 61. Chukuram bahalam viralam bhramaram mrudulam vachanam vipulam nayanam adharam mathuram vachanam mathuram chapalam charitagnya kadan vibho. When would I be able to experience Lord Krishna's thick-set hairs, very broad forehead, very soft-spoken words, very broad eyes, sweet enriched lips, pretty face, and listless walk? Slokam 62. Paripalayanah kripalayetyasakrinjalpitamartabandhavah Murali mrudulasvanantare vibhura karnayita kadanunah. When I beseech the friend of my soul several times, please look after me, how will it ever reach his ears, as he is always sweetly singing his flute? Slokam 63. Kadanu kasyam nu vipaddhashayam kaishoragandhi karunam bhudirnah vilochanabhyam vipulayatabhyam alokayishyan vishayi karoti. In times of which danger would the sea of mercy with the childish splendor, see with his very broad and long eyes, survey our problems and solve them.